Hey everybody, my name is Kalle Slaap, watchmaker from the Netherlands, and we've been conned. And I share this information because it was preventable in hindsight. Last Friday, a middle-aged guy came in with a vintage watch, mechanical movement from the mid-60s. And he asked for a crown replacement because it was very worn. He couldn't wind the mechanical watch anymore. Very busy in the workshop, so oh yeah, sure, give it to me, we'll manage, no problem. See you within the hour. So it was very grimy and the watch looked horrible, so we placed it in an ultrasonic bath, and Rover found the perfect crown, the perfect dimensions, the shape, even the shade, the color of the stainless steel case, perfect. So we asked 28 euros, which is roughly the same in dollars, $28 for a new crown and ultrasonic bath. Help the guy. Within 20 minutes a phone call, the watch isn't running perfectly. Well, it is completely worn, the inside of the movement, and we just replaced the crown and cleaned the outside, the exterior. Well, if I go to a renowned watchmaker, you might expect a perfect running watch. So, if you are not making sure the watch is running perfectly, I am forced to make a review. Pure blackmail, the bastard. So my first instinct was, I'll tell him. But a cup of coffee, and then second thought was, well, we give him back the 28 euros, dollars, and but then it was pure blackmail. But just wasn't nice. He was just, he knew exactly what he was doing. So, cup of coffee, called the guy. Okay, I'll fix it. And then I made a decision. I'm not even sure why, but that is just me. Okay, I'm going to do a full revision, make it beautiful and perfect again. Luckily, it was a Velsa movement, and we have plenty of parts here. The setting lever spring was broken. The acrylic crystal was horrible. Luckily for a watchmaker, it's mostly time you are paying for and skill, and the tools and machines, of course, but well, that's already there. So I stayed late that night, had an early rise to finish the watch, and restored it into perfection. A 290 amplitude with a new spring, new acrylic. Well, the crown was already perfect again. The setting lever spring was broken. So every time he looks at that watch, I hope he feels some guilt to say, well, that wasn't really nice of me. And well, the only thing I hope he will stand off a piece of on a piece of Lego every single day. It was preventable. We should have advised to the client, well, we can replace the crown, but you are not going to be happy with the end result, and we are not going to be happy with the end result because the watch isn't running. It's just the main barrel was just like this, stuck between the main plate and the bridge. So it wasn't even technically possible that the watch was running. So it was preventable. We had to advise the client, would you like the new crown, because it's just cosmetic. We've learned from the situation. I'm over it. I still hope he, he stands on a piece of Lego, and I really do hope you see how this not nice situation, either for us or for him, could be avoided by advising the client, do you really want to do this, want me to do this, or, well, you know what I mean. That's it. That's what's my gripe, and my karma is, well, what was telling me do a full revision and just have fun with it. Hope you enjoyed the video. See you soon. See ya. Bye bye.